guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know me, I'm Elise London, and today I'm going to be reviewing this unit that got sent to me from Alipearl Hair, and they sent me over their 5x5 closure wig in the texture deep wave, and I got it in a length 24 inches.
Do you guys see this color? Can we get into this color, baby?
And if you was wondering how I achieved this highlighted look, all I did was go in with my True Zone Cream Peroxide and my True Lights Powder Bleach, and I just mixed that up until it was like a thick kind of paste, and I just applied it to the hair strands. So we're gonna get into installing this unit and I'll be back. And I also bleached the lace and added my foundation on top to get that more natural look. And here I'm just showing you where the actual closure stops. It's not like an actual frontal where it goes from ear to ear. It literally just stops where I'm showing you. And also you can see how long the hair drops for me. So I'm going to be using the bedhead spray in today's video to lay down my wig. After I've laid the wig down, I'm going to go in and do my baby hairs, and I'll come back and let you know my thoughts on this unit. And also guys, before I go, let me know in the comment section below on what hair companies you want to see me review, what hair do you want to see me review, because I just want to, you know, interact with you guys more, and you know, I just want to do videos that you guys actually want to see. So let me know. So I'm going to tell you further information about this unit. The density is 150%, the length is 24 inches as you know. This is a deep wave lace closure wig. You can wear this wig glueless, but for the purpose of today's video I glued it down. And once I wet the hair and was combing through it, I did get quite a bit of shedding, but that is expected with curly wigs, but don't let that stopping you from buying from Alipearl Hair. And you saw the hair in its natural state. It gets very big, but once you wet it, the curls are so defined and very pretty, as you can see here. This hair is very thick, very lightweight. It doesn't even feel like I was wearing anything on my head. I also think that the bleach took to the lace very well. You can't even tell that this is a closure because it blends very well with my skin. And all I used to define the curls was just a bit of water. I just spritzed it through, and that was literally it. But you can also add any curl product if you want to make the curls last a bit longer. And as for the highlights guys, this wig didn't come with the highlights. It came literally just a natural black, but I just wanted to switch it up a little bit and add my own highlights into this wig. I'm no professional at doing highlights. Like I said, this is my second time, but if you guys would like to see a separate video on how I achieved this look, then let me know and I will do that. But yeah guys, if you have any further questions you'd like to ask me about this unit, then feel free to leave a comment down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you guys. And if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a big thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and God bless.